Okay, the virtually to today's project going to be assembling this UltraHD commercial heavy duty towel storage cabinet. It's a really nice looking cabinet. Stainless steel, supposed to be fingerprint proof. But we're going to assemble this, and this is how I did it. With these screws, the small ones. And the back panel has four panels, and it has a sticker to let you know which way the top is facing. This is the back of the file cabinet. This is the inside. And they're going to overlap. We're going to put screws in the center all the way up, and that's going to connect the back panel. Make sure that the tag is facing out and the arrow is pointing up, that you know that you're going in the right direction. I'm going to connect 4 of these. The drill is going to make it faster instead of just using a screwdriver. And what time do we have? So we can know how long it takes. No one's answering. I guess they don't know.
125.
It is 125. And the back panel, just the center section is connected, but all the panels are hooked together. So let's just, I'm going to set that aside for a second. In some areas, you're going to need the longer screws to attach the panels. So I'm going to start with had the tag here saying arrow pointing top. This is going to be the side of the cabinet where the peg is shown here. This is the inside. I had the tag here in the right corner, and all of the panels. Well, on the left side, you're going to have the tags in this corner here. And there's one single hole here, and a single hole here is going to attach these two together. Okay, we got it close up. We're going to take the longer screw, stick it through here, and connect. And it's attached. Same thing with the other side. Got all 3 of those lined up. Do the other side here. A good screwdriver to get the same job done. But I have my drill bits here. Just tuck my screw, set it on top, and find my hole. Get it in there. And just repeat the same process for the other side. Okay, I got this backwards. Had the bottom panel facing the wrong way, top panel facing the wrong way. Everything's lined up now. If these holes don't line up with this back panel, then you are wrong. This slide right on top, and all the holes match up. Just like it's doing now. If the holes are not matching up, then you have something on there backwards. Just having all your screws ready, just get this panel on. put my center shelf in it now. These two holes should be facing to the right, this right side, in the center here. And underneath, you have these holes here. We're going to connect this to the holes that are inside of here. Make sure this is fixed on the right side and right in the center. Like that. So I'm going to take, get these in there. Put my screwdriver. Screw up there, slide it in. So now I can take my drill and tighten them up. So here, just screw in. I want to take a wrench to tighten it down once you get them screwed in. Oh, look, I got a helping hand going on. Some people just volunteer. Take a wrench, line it up the rest of the way. You have to lift it up. Want something to hold it up.